How to create Instagram business account. First of all, you need to install Instagram using your app store, whether you're using Apple or Android. Next, you open up your Instagram. So you want to create a new account. So you can see at the bottom, don't have an account, just click sign up. For this video, I will be creating an Instagram account for my agency. So I'll just gonna go to sign up with email address or phone number. Just click on the one at the bottom. Okay, so you'll reach this page. I'm gonna log in through email address. So I'll just click on email address and I'm going to put in the email address. Then click next. And then a confirmation code will be sent to the email. Alright, and click in the login code. Then you click next. So for the purpose of this, I'm gonna put in the full name of the business. Okay, key in your password. Then continue without syncing contacts. So if you're using a phone, they will sync your contact and then they will have some recommendation on who to follow. But for now, just skip that. So I'll just continue without syncing contact. Save. So add your date of birth. Okay, then you click on next. You can change your username as well, but I want to keep this username if it's possible. So if you want, you click change username and it's available. Next. Then you can add a profile, add a photo now. Alright, so this is the photo and then you can see the photo here. You can crop your photo accordingly. I think this is fine. Click next. There. Your profile photo is added. So you can share this photo as a post. I do not want it. It will be very weird. Next. So you can discover people, you can follow them. Alright, for these purposes, we are not following right now. Just click next. And there. Your account is created. You can see there's no feed, nothing. All these are just recommended and suggested posts, but you can ignore it. And then you can see your profile is here. Let's just follow Instagram account. You can share your first photo or video, complete your profile. But before I complete the profile, let's just add bio. No. So you can see the name here, username, pronouns, no, bio, add link. So for here, we'll switch to professional account first. So again, let me just show you where it is. All you have to do is just go on edit profile or click on the three dots here. Go to settings and you can go to account. Scroll all the way down is switch to professional account. So this is a few ways you can do it. Okay, let's just switch to a business account right now. So you can read through all this, continue. So what describe you can find whichever that you want to follow. Marketing agency, they'll be fine. Done. You can display on your profile if you want to. So for this case, we'll put it as business. Next. Public information, I want to display my email, which is fine. Just click on this. Next. Connect your Facebook. If you want to connect, you can connect. If not, we'll skip it for now. I'm going to have another video to connect this with the page. So just stay tuned. Skip. And now you should complete your profile. So let's complete the profile. So you can see everything is here. Put the bio. That's a limit word for bio. Add external link. Alright, go back and you can see it's here. Just click tick. Woohoo! Get inspired. All these grow your audience, can invite your friends, share content to view insights, explore tools. So all these are completed. So this is how you create an Instagram business account. I showed you step by step to create the account. I've also shown you how to make it into a professional business account, and I also show you how to edit your profile. So this is how you can easily create an Instagram business account. If you like what I share, give me a like and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Alright, thank you.